This is just a quick video just to get this out there. I have a more in-depth video on a lot of my Elite, but this is just focusing on this particular one because I think this is a kind of rare one, given it's this Kmart special 5.5 amp, and it has everything but the crevice tool. But I believe the crevice tool is somewhere around here. So, yeah, it's got a kind of a whine to it. But, runs great. The brusher that was in it was a replacement, and it was completely shot. And it looks like it's had the motor serviced because the commutator, or the stator, and the commutator look newer than the rest of the motor. Like, they've got blue paint on them, and the windings are like a greenish blue instead of orange. Anyways, without further ado, I will start this thing up. Gino, you might want to move. One-handed. Come on. Yeah, as you can hear, it does have a little bit of a whine to it, but it still cleans the carpet exceptionally well. And this is a 5.5 amp with a 7-blade fan. So yeah, that was just an overview of this Elite. Yes, that is the correct wand. It's just so faded because it had been sitting in the sun. But yeah, that's just a overview on this Elite. I haven't seen a lot of other 5.5s in this style, just a 5 and a 6.5 or 2. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.